Thin wafer sheets are baked rapidly between heated metal plates, creating crisp layers.
The wafers move through cooling conveyors, removing excess heat before assembly. The accumulator slows the line. KitKat are made in a factory. Wafer sheets are coated with chocolate cream filling and stacked into large, layered blocks.
These blocks are compressed gently to ensure layers bond while maintaining crisp texture. Step 8 sees the crisp wafer fingers travel along these belts towards the crucial chocolate enrobing section.
See how they make 8 million bars every day. Here, the semi-finished bars pass through cascading curtains of melted chocolate for complete coverage. Baking light reveals the glossy texture as the bars are completely coated. The chocolate self-levels on the smoothing belt while the operator fine-tunes the temperature.
Coated bars enter long cooling tunnels, where the chocolate solidifies into the signature crunchy coating.
Automated inspection systems meticulously check the shape and coating thickness. Any imperfect bars are removed before reaching the wrapping line accumulator.
The wrapped bars are grouped into multi-packs and then precisely loaded into shipping cases by the automated.
Finished products are palletized and distributed worldwide, enabling up to 8 million bars per day with consistent quality.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.